Looking for the best plumbing expert in Coffs Harbour? Garbers Plumbing offers the prompt, reliable and affordable plumbing service you need. The newly released services include prompt assistance and remediation for all types of plumbing leaks, including leaking pipes, toilets and more. Garbers Plumbing can also provide professional installation, repair and maintenance for all types of water heaters, including gas and electric. Finally, you can also contact Garbers Plumbing for drain cleaning and unblocking, roof leaks, bathroom renovations and any other plumbing services. With the new announcement, Garbers Plumbing continues to expand its range of high-quality plumbing solutions. A satisfied client said, "I engaged Garbers Plumbing for the plumbing in my main and ensuite bathroom renovations. I would definitely recommend them." Contact us at garbersplumbing.com.au.